let's discuss about the ISPRINTABLE string function. The ISPRINTABLE string function will return true if all characters in the string are printable or the string is empty. It will return a false if the character in the string is not printable. So let's see with the example. So let's take the string Python is awesome and apply the ISPRINTABLE string function. And let's execute the code. And as all the content of the string is printable, the ISPRINTABLE function will return a true. Next, let's see if we apply the ISPRINTABLE string function on a blank string and execute our code. And you can see it also returns a true on a blank string. Now next, let's try with a string having escape sequences. So we take the same string Python and here we put /n is and a /t awesome and apply the ISPRINTABLE string function. And now you can see it returns a false as /n and /t are a new line character and a tab character respectively, and it is not printed in the string. So the ISPRINTABLE string function returns a false, and you can well understand the utility of this string function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.